Hello friends, dear companions, we want to go to the Dow Jones 5-minute time frame and see if it has decreased in the past 24 hours. 24 hours now, it is 10 past midnight on July 15th and July 6th. We want to see how much trading could have been done with the Bianchi strategy robot from the beginning of July 6th to the week of July. Before that, it is very good for those who are new to it. I am sending you from Trading Robots. This is where robots trade alongside you and for you, not against you. They are not going to make you trade, they are going to help you do your calculations faster and more accurately. Check out our site for educational videos. We are now talking about the banking strategy robot, one of our best-selling products in the trading assistant category. You are talking about the product page. When you click on it, you will enter this page. General textual description, video explanation. I came here on my own. I made a video. I explained how the strategy works. You can see it works on different crypto widths. Indices work like Dow Jones. Width of all services works on Forex. Anything that has a chart. You can use it as a subscription right on your TradingView. It doesn't require a premium account. It doesn't require anything. On free accounts, it comes as an indicator on your page and will surprise you. We have a special discount on the annual subscription. But if you want to test it, I recommend a 1-month subscription. Last night, we made a video on our device and I uploaded a new style of music for the backtest of the banking strategy robot. It's a nice 2-minute piece, so check it out and let me know what you think. If you like this kind of video, let me know so I can make more. Also, the video from last night was about the Team 45 robot. I won't take up more of your time. Let's get started with the Dow Jones. What are you doing? First, set your intention. Then, go to the indicators section and search for bank strategy. You probably won't see it if you haven't purchased it. If you have bought it, you'll see it. Click on it and something like this will show up for you. Is this how you should trade? Not really. Let's have a quick review of the strategy. The same banking strategy robot that. For time frames below 30 minutes, use a candlestick, and above 30 minutes, you may need to see which one works better. You come here, choose a candlestick. Just like a chart can be any trader's chart. You come below the first strategy. If you get a sell signal, the next candlestick will go up, and it will not go in the same direction as the one you want to enter the trade. You enter, you put a stop, the previous swing, the resumption enters 1.5 easy. Here it is a buy bet. The next candle is even higher. It is just that it is being called an alpha candle. This file is also in our Telegram channel. The second strategy, if it comes buy or buy plus sell or sell plus give, the next candle does not do this. What do? You don't have to do anything with buy plus and sell plus. But if there was a buy and sell like here, for example, buy gave but the next candle was red, it forms a dotted line that is the order block that the robot predicts will occur. After the break, what does break mean? It means a good close below. As soon as you enter here, you enter 1 or 2 or finally a scandal. Stub, a respawn enters 1.5 easy. In the opposite direction, that is, you should have been there, but you take the break. Here you should have given it again. The candle turned red. Both sides are a sign of weakness. You make a Sabbath. The tower is broken in the block 1 or 2. Scandals, finally a scandal, depending on the. How strong was this breakout? Here's the second strategy. It will set a stop loss at 15 easily for you. This is the second strategy. Let's get started. So, we've set the candles to Heiken Ashi. Dow Jones 5-minute time frame. Let's start at 6. I'll take it from here. Just zoom in a little to make it more interesting. Now, let's say we're giving a discount. For example, if you bought the robot at 11:30 and sat down at the chart, let's see how much you could have worked in a day. Here, it gave you a buy plus signal, but the next candle didn't turn green at all. This isn't the first strategy, it's the second one. You reverse it to green to see if it breaks below this level. Which of these has broken? This is broken. We can take this as a failure, but I don't take it personally. If you want to take this, you can put the scandal up. But this failure is strong and good and has life because it is an order block here. meaning it is a bit of a swing. We are opening a short signal, a closed candle, a stub 1, 2, 3 candles. This is telling me, Mr. Stubb, stay here. He should be talking to you. You are risking your reward. 1.5. And you are praying for me that it will come easy for you. It will make you a tick profit. It came to give a buy plus signal to that candle. The next green candle is good. We enter alphas. But unfortunately, we get a stop loss. Right. I was supposed to take this. I was supposed to take it at 11:30. Now we'll go back to that. We enter the first type of strategy. Low risk to 1.5 reward. You came here, you went to the whistle, you came to use it, you sacrificed your head. For the sake of the day, we'll see. Let's take this together. We're not going to have lunch. For half an hour, this is another short. That is, here on the closet. This is what we did. Now this is what we can do on the closet. This means too, this is what came in. This is this one. This one that was after 12 o'clock. This one can come in. I'll eat this one. Bring this one. Don't mix it up. This is you. We'll put the stop for a couple of seconds. Now I think it's here. Look, he says. Sir, the stop is here too. He's talking. You have to trade a warehouse. You'll get the risk to reward ratio. This is what he'll give you. Our time frame is low. I'm being cautious. Now I'm taking a hand. I'm sorry if it goes up or down a bit. This is where we failed. So 1 TP, 2 TP, 1 stub, that's right, it's just 6 in the morning. Let's go to the next one, buy, plus, next data, green, oh, enter the thing, no, the candle is not alpha. There is a shadow below, hereby, next data, green, enter the thing, no. There is a shadow below, the sign of Zephyr Olin is telling you, sir, let me see order black. Something is going to happen here. A certain person is playing order black for you, here. Or you could break it and enter. I'll leave a couple of seconds. Here. Now you can find it however you see fit, depending on the width of the index coin you're trading. That is, look at it a little bit before you get a feel for how it's reacting to the order blocks. It takes a while. You'll see that it's going to go up to rise Sprevert, but oh well. The strategy is the hour. We hit it this morning. Here we have a buy. It breaks. What do? We take a short. Why didn't I take the first strategy? Because it didn't go green. Right. Risk to reward is 1.5. These 2 gondels came later, and this is just what I put here. You can put these ones that don't have alpha on top of themselves. That is, you can put them with an ATR distance. You will get these. After this, I traded with them or watched my previous videos. The video would be too long if I tried to explain everything. Sell plus data is a type 1 strategy. On days when the market is trending like yesterday's Dow Jones trend, the second strategy is usually used because we can catch the failures. On days when the first strategy range came here, the top t-shirt looked nice. The next candle also came out nicely. It hit red alpha for us. What are you doing? Easy. We're setting this here with a risk to reward ratio of 1.5 to 2. Now on the core time frame, you can take this. Okay, it gave a buy plus signal, and the next one is green. You enter, but it has a shadow below. You can't just enter, you wait for the breakout. This breakout is really good. And you can open a short position here. Stop, you can put 1, 2, 3 here. I'll put them here myself, meaning you can put them with a little distance from here, because under alphars. But you can take up to 3 more, now depending on the same things I told you, meaning you can put them here. With a little distance from here, you put them with a little distance from here, you'll get a support at 1.5. 1 more or less, I'm pulling my hand. The video won't be long. What is this blue-green ball? I explained it in the previous video. This is a sign that, sir, if you reach this, do it risk-free. That is, when you enter here, what it gives you. In the scalping strategy is a risk-free sign because it says that I may return, and you see it has returned. The one that gives this says I might go back to the power of the bay, or vice versa. The green, yellow, and red ones that I show above me are not the power of the sell. Then it usually gives the sell if the robot attacks again. But the one that gives you this says, "Sir, take a risk," or, for example, play the first type again. Now, whatever you want, you know. I haven't used this in my strategy yet, because it doesn't turn the strategy. But we left these out, that's why I explained them in my previous videos. By buy plus, the next candle is red. This is actually showing that I want to sell. We enter very normally, on the close of this candle. Set the stop loss at 1 or 2 candles. Since it's beta, you can place it here or there, however you see fit. You can take a risk-to-reward ratio of 1, and it's simple and easy. This one is huge, and then it comes back down. After that, it hit our stop loss. This is obvious. Oh, here we go again with a buy plus signal. And the next one is red. Here, you either enter this one or that one, whichever close looks better to you. Or you can set your risk-to-reward ratio at 1.5. You can take these from it. The world is becoming interesting. It gave a sell, and the next one turned red. The first two were red too. See this sell signal. The next one is green, and then this one turned red. It wants to go up. This sell is a pause. It closes above the order block. Enter a long position. I'll set my stop loss here for 1 or 2 candles. This candle is a nice stop. Risk to reward is 1.5, but we don't want more than the market gives. It hits our take profit. It's 8:30. What are you doing, beautiful lady? You entered long. It's already 8 o'clock in the evening. It's close to the current time. I'll put a couple of seconds here. I mean, in this second, it seems like a very beautiful stop. It's a risk and reward combination. But you don't want more than the market. We are very satisfied. It's coming to us. It's hitting the tip. Right. Ben, it means that the tip is eating. Your next signal is coming. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Next, it's red. No, you're sitting there until you close. Give it up, you're taking a line. Set up 1, 2, 3 candle. Candle alphas, you can put a little tiara under it with a little distance. And if you want to enter it, you hit me with one, when I was starting to record the video. The position of your friend. Candle before. Ben, I was looking to see. Yesterday, I was here to give you the robot and make these trades for you that we can see with our own eyes. I'll put the link below the video on the site. You can come in, subscribe to the robot. The longer the subscription period, the more economical it is because we can plan a day's work on our programmer's salary. And the current expenses we have, which is 81 and 15 cents a month. If you take it quarterly, it won't be 4, and the bonus will be 2, and the bonus will be all you need. And if you take it annually, it won't be 12, but 1, and the bonus will be 1. In addition to the fact that the price itself is cheaper, there is a special study on annual. Let's go from this and have a count. I won't add up the profits and these because we'll go together. 1 tip, 2 tips, 3 2. 4 targets, 5 targets, 6 targets. 7 targets, 7 targets, 8 targets, a double digit, very bad. 9 targets, 10 targets, 11 signals in a day on 5-minute charts. 15-minute charts give 10 more signals. All were possible trades. On 5-minute charts, 10 take profits, 1 stop loss. In live markets, candles move visibly. Questions? Ask. Check the site. Support page is great. FAQs and tutorials are on Operat. I made a 20-minute video explaining this. But the 5-minute time frame that we reviewed together, you got 10 tips in 1 day, a stub. We're also on Live Buzzer. I didn't go. I'm playing a game. I'll catch up with you. All the videos are the same. Meaning every video you watch on Live Buzzer. The candle is moving, and we're coming to get it. If you had any questions about this, ask each other. Come and see the site. You have a support page, and that's a really good thing. You see this support page. We came here and put up frequently asked questions, and our tutorial videos are also on Operat. I made a video that's over 20 minutes long explaining all of this. Which robot is better? How much does it cost per month? I don't know. Is it possible to have a leak? Anything you might think of. We've had about 500 customers so far. And we currently have 500 active customers. So I know what questions might come to your mind. So please check this out first. But after you watch it, If you have any unclear questions, you can ask them on Telegram. Until the next video. Thank you.